Hello student, welcome to Max Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the IOCL new recruitment which they have released now, and what was the selection process, who is eligible for these total post. All these details we will discuss in this video, so you need to stay at the end of the video. And if you have any type of query, do mention in a comment box. So let us begin with the videos. So as per the notification, they have released that for the non-executive post there is a special condition are there, like if you are a higher education person like BE Tech, or like you have already done with the M10, then you are not eligible for. If you are belonging to that category, then you may drop this video and do not forget to like our videos. So for the diploma candidate, they have released the different vacancies based on a different location. Like they have released a junior engineering assistant for the production. They have mentioned the total number of like location where they have a requirement. They have mentioned like Guwahati, Gujarat, Mathura and other state as well, based on refineries where they have placed our plants. So the total number of posts are too high. If you have a diploma candidate and do not go with the higher studies, then definitely you apply for these posts as well. For the junior engineer, minimum qualification for this post was you have with the diploma in mechanical stream. They have also mentioned for junior engineer assistant 4, and going ahead with that, junior engineer assistant for the mechanical / junior technical assistants, they have also mentioned over there. And number of posts are, they have advertisement like 5 for Guwahati, 1 for Gujarat, 1 for 6 for Panipat, and Pradeep for 9. Like different location, they have mentioned a different advertisement. If you are located nearby this plant, then definitely you apply for these posts as well. And what was the post qualification and experience for the junior engineering assistant? You have 3 years completed with the diploma for chemical, petrochemical engineering and refinery. Minimum marks for securing was 50%, and for the OBC there are only 50% criteria. For the SC and ST candidate was 45%. And minimum you have 1 year of experience in the field of pump house or rotating shift, like a pump house, fire heater, a compressor, distillation column and reactor, heat exchanger and other as well. They mentioned properly. If you are belonging to that area, then definitely apply for these posts as well. Going ahead with the junior engineer assistant 4 per P&U, similarly exactly same thing is available, like 3 years of diploma you have in mechanical or electrical. And if you have a certification of like fitter ITI you have done with a fitter, and related to that experience we will able to absorb in the organization. Similarly for other branches as well. So if you are like, they have mentioned that the candidate who has higher professional degrees such as BE, BTech, MBA, MCA or any such equivalents will not be eligible for applying these posts, which I have mentioned earlier. If you belonging to this, then definitely you leave the video because it's not applicable to you. Going ahead with the salaries and all those things, they have mentioned based on your location they will provide the salary, but minimum basic pay around is 25,000, and after that you will get TAD and HRA as well, based on organization and location as well. Maximum age limit they have counted as 30th of September 2021. If you are eligible in that range, then you are able to apply, otherwise your form will be rejected. And for the selection, they have mentioned like you either you go with the written test based on your like application. They recently mostly they go with the written examination, and written examination center are mostly offline based in your base location where the refineries are available. And what was the date? If you're talking about the date, was opening of online application 21st of September and last date to submission of 12th of October. And if you have any like category based person, like if you have EWS or OBC ST, then you need to give the details as well while applying these posts. And they have mentioned that the date of receipt of printout of online application from form along with the supporting document you need to send by the officially, like where the plant are available, and your examination will be placed over there. Tentative exam date was 24th of October, and the final result will be declared on 11th of November. All they have already defined as per the notification. If any type of doubt related to this or any other, then do mention in a comment box and also give your feedback over there. And if you like our video, definitely subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for